everybody. Welcome to my garden again. I'm going to show you how to pollinate loofahs. So this is a male flower. It does not have a fruit on it. And this is a female flower because it does have a fruit on it. Right there. So you take the male flower off. I just pinch it off. I push back the petals to where you can see the pollen. And I just kind of rub it onto the other flower. Now there's one flower. I like to do 2 or 3, but I think I only have 2 flowers that are ready. On here, we don't want to use all of them because if I use all the male flowers and there's a female flower tomorrow that blooms, I won't be able to pollinate it. So even though this loofah looks big and it looks like it's ready to harvest, it's not. It'll get hard, it'll turn yellow or brown, so I just let it sit here until it's big enough to harvest. It will. Here is a bee. The bees have done pretty good at pollinating these cucumbers. So as you can tell, this one, here's the inside of a female flower, and then the back of it has a cucumber on it. Do not have a cucumber on the back, so I just snap one off. I pull the petals back, I expose the pollen, I swirl or rub it on the inside of that flower. So this flower has already been pollinated, hopefully, and the flower will shrivel up and you can pull it off, or it'll just fall off and it'll become a little cucumber like this. And you'll know if it's pollinated if it gets bigger and bigger. If it's not pollinated, it'll fall off. The whole fruit will fall off, like this one. It just falls off, and it will produce like this one. And they become bigger and bigger. I already harvested one inside that was really big, and we ate it last night. My sunflower is officially all the way open. So beautiful. I love sunflowers. It's also cool having a garden because of all the cool things that live in here. So here are some snails. I don't know if snails cause any harm. I haven't seen any harm to the plants from snails. They're just cool to have and cool to watch. Like there's 2 right here. Yeah, they're pretty neat. Snails and bees. Oh, here's another snail. Thanks for joining me in my garden. Have a wonderful day.